Alright, so it's opening day of trout season. That's what they call it here in Rhode Island. They're still trying to do something that every other state near us stopped doing. A whopping one fisherman this morning at the ramp. Interesting. Interesting stuff. Being an amateur there, forgot my life jacket like an idiot. Oh my god. Went back and grabbed it. This is the 180 drive with the turbos. They can get going. That's a fish. Oh, damn it. Oh my god. It started swimming sideways. Oh, they're stacked up in here. Oh no, I can't believe that. That was a big one. There's one. Oh, they're hitting it and spitting it out. Can't believe I lost that one. That's mad annoying. There's one. Oh my. There's one. Oh my god. I hate having to catch up with them when they swim at you like that. There we go. It's a chunk. Oh, there goes my claws. There's one. Oh my god. There's one. Little guy. Choked it. Wow, these trout are feeding pretty good over here. Just dragging this jig over these rocks until it gets snagged. There's one. Oh my god. He's on it again. This time he's got it. Dude, he must not be wanting to eat the whole bait today or something. Another one. That one. He's playing with me. Spitting my stuff out. It's a decent one. I'm gonna get my net. These fish are really being weird today with how they're eating the bait. I mean, it's just constant picking up, spitting out, picking up, spitting out. Oh, there's one. Oh, really slow retrieve. It's the key. That's a better one. Little chubs. Just really have to work the bait in slow to get bites, but That's what they look like. There's one. Little guy. Right as I put the scent on. Thick fish though, small mouth, big body. Finally starting to warm up a little bit here. It's got 51-degree water, so these fish are getting ready to spawn. There's one. He came off that rock. Chunker. Oh. Look at that one. Nice orange eye. Super healthy, I mean, beautiful. On fishing line. Oh my God, what a mess. Some idiot throwing a fucking spoon. 2 spoons? Are you shitting me? It's so dumb. This bank looks like it's been getting beat by the sun, so it might be a fish or two over here. I'm coming at it so fast I couldn't feel the bite. Ugh. Ugh. Soaked me. Another healthy one. Look how they have a small mouth, big body. These fish are so healthy. You ain't gonna help. There's one. Oh God. What in the heck? Another one that was playing gumball with it.